A massive 171% profit surge, 52 crores of railway order, and a stock that has climbed up 384% over the last 2 years. This coiled compression spring leader is riding the sector growth. With Indian Railways expanding and clearing its path to 300 crores of revenue by the end of FY26, can this company sustain its momentum? Stay tuned in the video as we break down the numbers and the future outlook of this hidden gem. Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise to uncover the hidden gems in the stock market. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's segment, we'll analyze 3 companies making strategic moves that could fuel their long-term growth. As always, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any investment. So today's lineups are Transrail Lighting Ltd, Frontier Springs Ltd, and AEC's Action Construction Equipments Ltd. So let's start with the first company, Transrail Lighting Ltd. This company is a leading EPC company engaged in the transmission and distribution, which is T&D, with a strong global presence in over 22 countries. This company recently reported 62% YoY revenue growth in the third quarter of FY25, which is driven by the strong execution in the T&D segment, contributing over 90% of its order book. EBITDA and PAT grew by 80% and 92% YoY respectively in the third quarter of FY25. In the previous month, this company had approved rupees 326 crores of capex plan to expand its manufacturing capacity, including a new tower manufacturing facility. With expected $1.2 trillion in the global grid modernization investment by the end of FY27, Transrail is poised for the aggression expansion. Now let's move on to the next company, Frontier Springs Ltd. This company is a key player in railways components and engineering, specializes in the manufacturing hot wound spring for the Indian Railways and industrial applications. This company reported a record revenue and profitability growth in the third quarter of FY25, revenue rising by 76% YoY to 58 crores and PAT surged by 171% to 8 crores, reflecting a strong demand and operational efficiency. In the last month, this company secured 52 crores of order for 894 sets of air springs, which basically strengthened its presence in the railway modernization space. With Indian Railways increasing passenger coaches in the trains and expanding freight wagons, this company is on track for 300 crores of revenue in FY26, which is supported by its new capex investments. Last but not the least, Action Construction Equipments Ltd. This company, as the name suggests, is India's largest crane and construction equipment manufacturer with a strong export expansion strategy. This company reported recently the highest ever quarterly revenue of 9,053 crores, a 16% YoY increase in the third quarter of FY25. With a growing pipeline of infrastructure projects, expansion into exports, and increased focus on the high value equipments, this company is on the upward trajectory for sustained growth. Now let's review some of our previous picks. First is Australian Premium Solar India Limited, which we covered at 460 rupees, now at 475 rupees, up by 3.36%. Noisemaker Rail and Engineering Limited, which we covered at 163.7 rupees, now at 154 rupees, down by 5.5%. Neogen Chemicals Limited, which we covered at 2002 rupees, now at 2033 rupees, up by 1.6%. JTL Industries Limited, which we covered at 95, now at 98, which is up by 3.15%. Then last, Sehat Solar Limited, which we covered at 482 rupees, now at 480 rupees, down by 0.9%. In the summary of all the recent filings, Transrail Lighting Limited reported 62% YoY revenue growth and 326 crores of capex expansion plans for the manufacturing expansion in the power transmission sectors. Then the Frontier Springs Limited delivered 171% profit growth YoY in the third quarter of FY25. Action Construction Equipment Limited posted record revenue and profitability alongside an expansion into defense equipment manufacturing. That's a wrap up for today's Noisemaker. For any details, you can check out the full report in our description below. Thanks. Stay ahead, stay informed.